everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to create character with Poly.Ai. So to start, we'll just have to open the app and then in here tap on the plus sign. And then after that, you'll be given different character type that you can choose for your avatar, from Standard, Omegaverse, Game Legends, Angry Partner, and many more. So as an example, I'm just gonna choose Standard type, and then in here we can now start customizing our avatar. So first, you'll have to upload a reference image, and then after that, you'll have to customize the description of your avatar from male, female, non-binary, and then you can also optimize this. As for me, I'm just gonna choose female, and then under here, you are given different image style, and then if you want more style, all you need to do is to tap on the more option. But as an example, I'm just gonna choose the first image, and then after that, I'll have to tap on the save option. Once you're done customizing your avatar, all you need to do is to tap on the generate option to completely create your character. So that's how easy you can create character with Poly.Ai. I hope this video helped you out, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss a video on our channel, and I'll see you on our next video.